Good morning, children. Our today's topic is human health and disease. And in this concern, we are to see that what is health according to ancient Ayurveda and Greek Hippocrates. The health is the state of body and mind. That means, according to them, the body has some good and bad humors. Bad humors means black biles, and the person having black biles suffer from diseases and they also suffer from fevers. But after the discovery of blood circulatory system by William Harvey, it was disproved by experimental demonstration of measuring the body temperature with the help of thermometer. It was disproved that any kind of bad and good humors are there. Actually, the mind is controlled by or affected by our nervous system and endocrine system and immune system. The immune system is the most important system of the body, which affects our body functions and our body, you can say, the health of our health especially. Now there are various genetic disorders are there which transmits from parents to the offspring or to the child. They also affects our health. Similarly, the infections or caused by various microorganism, they are the second factor which affects our health. And the lifestyle, obviously, as I was talking you about the lifestyle, that lifestyle is a very serious issue, but we take it lightly. That means we should take balanced diet, pure clean drinking water, exercise and yoga should be the part of our life that is included and which affects our health also. Okay, which determines our health also. So that way, these are the factor which affects our health. Now it comes the definition of health proposed by the WHO. WHO says that the health is not only the away from diseases or physical fitness. Health means the social, physical and mental fitness. That means no physical ailment should be there, no mental disorder and no social problem hanging around. Okay, now the health is also influenced by the various factors, like in which the most important one is, just to keep ourselves healthy, we should be aware about the causing agent of various diseases, the types of the diseases, the vaccination, immunization, personal hygiene and disposal of the waste material and prevention of the various diseases, prevention of the vectors, disease caused by the vectors, disease caused by the, or you can say, the foodborne diseases, soil-borne diseases, waterborne diseases, how can they be prevented, what precaution we should take, and how can we prevent the mortality rate. So these all are the factors by which we are to aware of. That means this, again, these things affects our health. Now it comes the pathogens, or you can say, on the basis of the spread of the diseases, we can classify the diseases as infectious disease and non-infectious disease. So infectious diseases are the diseases which spread from one person to the other person, and non-infectious diseases which do not spread from one to the other person. Okay, so in this concern, in this chapter we are to discuss about the some of the bacterial diseases, some of the diseases caused by viruses, like common cold is there, like corona disease is there, which is we are facing these days, and then the disease caused by protozoans like malaria, disease caused by helminths like the ascariasis, taniasis, filariasis is there, disease caused by fungi like ringworm is there. So that way, and typhoid and pneumonia caused by bacteria. So that way we are to see the various diseases in this chapter, and the questions which are based on these diseases or on this topic is the causing agent, symptoms, prevention, test and control. Okay, so that way, these are the this type of question on various diseases and life cycle of some of the causing agent is also there in the syllabus. So now I am sending all this in the next video. Thank you.